Hey food lovers, today we're diving into the world of canned foods. You won't believe the benefits and drawbacks of these pantry staples. Some are bloody brilliant, packed with nutrients and ready to elevate your dishes, while others, well, let's just say they're about as appealing as a burnt pan. Get ready to learn which canned goods deserve a place in your kitchen and which ones should be kicked to the curb. Let's get started. Alright, you lot, let's talk canned pumpkin. Not that sugary pumpkin pie filling rubbish, but pure, unadulterated pumpkin puree. This stuff is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with fiber and beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. We're talking about good eyesight, a strong immune system, and skin so radiant you'll make a watermelon jealous. Just make sure you're grabbing the pure pumpkin, not the pie mix laden with sugar and God knows what else. Next up, we've got canned chickpeas, a pantry hero in their own right. These little beauties are packed with protein and fiber, making them a brilliant choice for vegetarians and meat eaters alike. They're also known to help lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. And don't even get me started on aquafaba, that magical liquid gold in the can. Whip it up and you've got a vegan meringue that would make even the toughest critic weep with joy. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sardines, really? But listen up, because these little fish are packed with brain-boosting omega-3 fatty acids and protein, all while being low in mercury. That's right, they're a healthy choice even for pregnant women. Ditch the tuna salad and impress your guests with a sophisticated sardine pâté, just a squeeze of lemon, a sprinkle of fresh herbs, and you've got yourself a dish that's bursting with flavor and good for you. Chapter 4, canned tomatoes, a sauce superstar with a catch. Let's be honest, who has time to peel and chop fresh tomatoes every time a recipe calls for them? Canned tomatoes are a lifesaver, packed with vitamins and lycopene, an antioxidant that's been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and some cancers. But hold on, before you go dousing everything in tomato sauce, remember to check that sodium content. Some brands can be saltier than the Dead Sea. Opt for no salt added varieties whenever possible. Chapter 5, canned corn convenient, but proceed with caution. Canned corn, it's the side dish of champions, or at least the side dish of busy weeknights. It's true, canned corn retains its nutrients surprisingly well, but just like those canned tomatoes, it can be a sneaky source of hidden sodium. Always check the label and choose low sodium options when you can, and for God's sake, lay off the butter and salt. Let the natural sweetness of the corn shine through. Chapter 6. Canned artichokes, the nutrient-dense delight. Artichokes, those elegant vegetables that always seem like a pain to prepare? Well, canned artichoke hearts are here to make your life easier. They're low in calories, high in fiber, and bursting with vitamin C. Toss them into salads, pastas, or pizzas for a boost of flavor and nutrition. Just remember to drain and rinse them well to remove any excess sodium. Beans, the musical fruit, and well, a pantry staple that can be a bit of a mixed bag. On one hand, you've got plain canned beans like black beans, kidney beans, and pinto beans, which are nutritional powerhouses. They're loaded with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. But then you've got those sugary concoctions like baked beans, swimming in sugary sauces and questionable ingredients. If you're looking for a healthy and delicious option, stick to plain beans or try making your own baked beans from scratch. You'll have complete control over the ingredients and can avoid the added sugar and sodium. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, or rather the chef boyardee in the pantry. This stuff is a culinary crime scene. It's laden with sugar, swimming in sodium, and the meat. Don't even get me started on the meat. If you want to serve your family a nutritious and delicious meal, steer clear of these processed pasta meals. Put in the effort to cook a proper meal with fresh ingredients. Canned meats, the ultimate convenience food. Right? Wrong. These salty, fatty concoctions are packed with preservatives and unhealthy additives. We're talking about a one-way ticket to Flavortown, not the good kind. Processed meats have been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. So do yourself a favor and ditch the spam. Opt for fresh, lean protein sources instead. Chapter 10, canned fruits, sweet deception in a can. Now let's talk about canned fruits. Fruit is good for you, right? Well, not so fast. While canned fruits can be a convenient option, they're often swimming in sugary syrup, turning a naturally healthy snack into a sugar bomb. If you're craving canned fruit, look for options packed in water or 100% juice. Better yet, opt for fresh or frozen fruit whenever possible. Chapter 11. canned soups, a cozy bowl of sodium. Canned soup, the ultimate comfort food. But before you curl up with a steaming bowl, let's talk about sodium. Some canned soups are loaded with the stuff, more than your daily recommended intake in a single serving. The good news is that there are plenty of low-sodium options available. Choose wisely, and you can enjoy a warm and comforting bowl of soup without the guilt. Chapter 12. Canned tuna navigating the Mercury minefield. Canned tuna, a pantry staple for sandwiches, salads and more. But before you stock up, let's talk about mercury. Some types of tuna, like albacore, can be high in mercury, which can be harmful to your health. Especially for pregnant women and young children, opt for chunk-light tuna, which is lower in mercury. And remember, sustainability matters. Choose brands that are committed to responsible fishing practices. That's a wrap on canned goods. So there you have it, folks. The good, the bad, and the surprising world of canned foods. Remember, not all canned goods are created equal. Some are nutritional powerhouses, while others are best left on the supermarket shelves. By reading labels carefully, choosing wisely, and incorporating fresh ingredients whenever possible, you can make canned foods work for you without sacrificing your health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. What are your favorite canned foods? Let us know.